welcome to another nomadic adventure, and today we're coming to you from Campeche here in Florianópolis, Brazil, but specifically we're coming to you from Mescla Cafeteria. This is a really nice coffee shop that we found. A few weeks ago we went to the central part of Florianópolis to see some historic buildings, and they were nice, but it was really commercial, and we heard that there's kind of like this hidden gem fishing village called Santo Antônio de Lisboa, and well, we're gonna go explore it. Ooh la la, look, my breakfast is served. So right here we got the cappuccino iced, and then we got the toast with some eggs on it. Don't really know what that is. Pretty solid deal for the breakfast here. Only $2.50 for the iced cappuccino, $3 for the toasted egg sandwich, I guess. Oh, Pally got her breakfast. What'd you get?
It's a panini of cheese, and I have water also, so I'm really excited to try it.
And how is it?
Delicious.
Oof, that was a bomb. Really delicious. Check this out really quick. So right here's the entrance of the cafe, and then down here all this is like a skate park, so people can skateboard right there, and then they have another one right there. It's pretty cool, right?
I'm going to come here and skateboard.
Okay. Now that we wrapped up breakfast, it's time to go to Santo Antônio de Lisboa. We're currently on the southern part of the island, and it's in the northern part of the island, about 40 minutes, so got a hot minute to get there. There's the bay right over there that has all the fishing boats, but one thing I'm already noticing is just down here on the ground. We've seen this a lot across the city, just these cobblestone bricks. I love these. It's so rustic, you know? Wow, it's really pretty.
Yeah, super. But there's not a lot of people in the water.
No, there's like nobody in the water. Ooh. It doesn't smell so good over here.
It smells
Kind
like
of
dead fish.
Smells like a sewer.
And the water, it's not nice, I have to say.
This town was founded as a fishing village, and there's so many boats in this bay here that it's clearly still maintaining some of that culture, and there's a lot of restaurants that are just seafood restaurants here as well. But the water is advised to not be swam in. It kind of smells, it's not pretty. Well, there's over 40 beaches on this entire island, so with this one not being large, the water isn't as pristine as we've seen at other beaches. It just hasn't attracted that tourist crowd. So this is how we have our hidden gem of Florianópolis. Right over there is just the little street market. Right there's the bay, so these are literally right next to each other. Pally, come here. Look at these. I love these lights right here. I like that one right there is the world. Kind of look like acrylic or something, but they're really cool. Wow, I like this a lot. We'll see what else is here at this market, but so far, those lamps take the prize. What'd you find?
I like this.
What is it? Okay, yeah, so like necklaces all right here.
Yeah, they're so nice.
I don't know what this is. These are like rings.
Like a ring, yes.
Yeah?
But with like a flower inside.
A flower?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh wow, that is pretty cool.
Yeah, and these ones too.
Necklaces with like mushrooms and fungus, I don't know. I found exactly what you need, Pauli. What is it?
So.
I actually like walking around and seeing all the neat trinkets that people will make at their house and bring here, or maybe they're buying and then reselling, but it's still like unique stuff that's always here. We found the church, and it is called Nossa Senhora de Necesidades, and it was founded in 1756, so this is over 250-year-old church. My favorite part about it is the mountain backdrop. Behind it is just absolutely gorgeous. If you're a churchgoer, just imagine coming here every Sunday and going into the church and leaving the church, just seeing those beautiful mountains. What do you think the inside will be like?
Beautiful.
Really?
I've already seen some photos in Google.
Oh, okay. You know what I'm obsessed with? I'm obsessed with just grounds.
Yeah.
And these bricks, man. I just swear I love these brick grounds. They're just so sturdy
It's like
and strong.
super old.
It's just that rustic feeling.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, let's get in here. Enough about bricks. Look, there's more. What do you think?
beautiful, but it's so hot here.
There's nobody in here. Why are we whispering? What do you think about the church?
It's really, really beautiful and really old. So
It is old.
Yeah, and the combination of the colors is like really nice. You know it's old when...
The foot creek. But look at all these posts along here too. And they're like hard beams. Just and good woodwork also. That's crazy. I love that. Oh no, I'm always like a fan for like molds and stuff. Entering the church, we're welcomed with a magnificent view. I mean, it's just that rustic feeling, a great depth of field, and at the far end of the church, you can see statues, and I love the high vaulted ceilings because it just makes it feel so much bigger in here. This is a must visit on this part of the island, and I mean, all of this is hidden gem material. This is what we're aiming for here on the Nomadic Adventure. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
It smells kind of old in here, right?
It smells really old. So.
It smells like my grandma's house. Sorry, Grandma. So there's the church right there, and you know what I see is I see old building right over there. Beautiful. I see another old colonial building right there, and another one right there. We didn't really stop and actually check out any of those old colonial buildings, but we want to go back in that direction. All right, let's get a table. I really like this. Look, there's 2 plates right here set up for both of us already. This is perfect, right? It's really beautiful in here. Really, there's great stone work along the walls, and it feels like we're in a cellar. So when it comes to drinking, I am as healthy about it as I possibly can be. Water with gas, and then I will get like just a glass like this, a wine glass, and ask for some fruits in it. So now I have oranges, and sometimes I'll ask for limes or lemons. Take the water with gas, take the vodka, voila. Now we have a carbonated, healthy alcoholic beverage, and I think it works just like that.
It's not tasty, just for you to know, it's not tasty at all. You only feel the vodka. Nobody's
drinking vodka to not feel vodka, right?
Cheers.
Ooh, we're starting to get those sunset colors out here. Yeah. That's beautiful. Wow. This is spectacular.
Beautiful.
I mean, literally why we came here, I think, more than anything, right?
You're right.
This sunset is just wild. The orange glow from the sun is like hitting my face. Like I said, this place is really known for 3 things: the street market, the sunset, and colonial architecture. Street market really isn't worth it, I'll tell you, but the architecture, the church, the sunset, it is definitely worth coming here for. It is beautiful, all of it. But my only piece of advice would be to get here at about like 2 or 3. So you're only spending 2.5, 3 hours here, because this is not a full day excursion by any means. But we loved our time here, and if you made it this far, then definitely consider hitting that thumbs up button, because we think you liked this adventure. And if you want to join us on our next adventure, definitely hit that subscribe button. See you on next video.